This week in AI, the UK regulator Ofcom opened a formal investigation into X and its AI chatbot, Grok. This isn't because of politics. This isn't because of free speech. This is because Grok is being used to generate sexually explicit AI images, including non-consensual deepfakes and images involving minors. Here's the simple version. Grok can generate images. Some of Grok's users figured out how to push it into creating sexualized images of real people. Bad enough at that. Worse is that includes children. The UK's Online Safety Act says if your platform enables that, you are responsible. Ofcom isn't asking questions politely. They're investigating whether X failed to put basic functional safeguards in place. And if they're found in violation, penalties can reach 10% of global revenue, forced product changes, or outright blocking. Bye-bye. And by the way, other countries have already blocked Grok entirely. So when we talk about blocking, this isn't a threat. This isn't hypothetical. This is real world consequences. Here's why this is different. We've all been through tech panics before. Social media panics, crypto panics, deepfake panics. This one is different. Feels different for me, certainly. I'm the father of 2 teenage daughters because AI doesn't just distribute content. AI creates content. And when AI creates harm, regulators don't care about your intentions, Elon, your roadmap, or your manifesto. They care about outcomes. And if your system can be abused at scale, you don't get credit for trying. You get consequences. The real issue that no one is saying out loud about this whole thing. It's not about Elon Musk. It's about systems without governors. Grok itself is not evil. The people using it aren't even the core problem. The problem is deploying powerful AI without real-time controls, accountability, and escalation paths. AI doesn't fail because it's too smart. AI fails because leadership assumes we'll deal with it later. Or this is funny. Here's the signal everyone that's building with AI should hear clearly. You don't get to experiment in public anymore. It's done. Regulators are done waiting for self-regulation. They're done with, hey, trust us. It's a dashboard and here's a vague safety page. If your AI touches people, images, identity, reputation, or children, you're now operating in a regulated environment, whether you like it or not. This is GDPR for AI behavior. And this is exactly why I built Torque AI in the manner with which I did. Because Torque isn't about bolting AI into chaos. It's about building the system first. Clarity, controls, decision, ownership, and then applying AI where it creates leverage instead of risk like this. Because most AI failures don't start with bad models. They start with no governance, no escalation, and no accountability. At Torque, we audit where AI should not be used just as aggressively as where it should be. Because AI without a system doesn't scale intelligence, it scales liability. And this story, it is the clearest proof yet. Regulation isn't going away. The companies that survive are the ones that build clarity before capability. And if you're serious about using AI in your business responsibly, defensively, and profitably, start with the system. Clarity first, AI second. That is the difference between momentum and headlines like this one. Thanks so much for watching. My name is Chris Desi, founder and CEO of Torque AI. As always, please like, subscribe, and share, and keep up the good work.